In this video, let us know about displacement and distance. What is the difference? Suppose a person starts from A and he travels in this path A, B, C, D, E. This is 4 meter, 10 meter, 14 meter, 16 meter. Then what is the distance travelled means? It is 4 plus 10 plus 14 plus 6. But what is the displacement means? It is, this is A is the initial position and E is the final position. So this AE displacement will be AE, whatever is the dimension. So this is the difference between distance and displacement. Let us take another example. A person moving in a circle. He starts from A. After some time he comes to B. So what is the displacement means? It is this distance. What is the distance means? It is this dimension. This arc portion is the distance. Okay, the straight portion diameter is the displacement. Okay, diameter is the displacement. Let us say a person is going in this path and it is a hexagon of side 5 meters. Each is 5 meters. Okay, so what is the distance means? 5 into 6, 30 meters is the distance. But what is the displacement means? Wherever he started, there he came back. So displacement is 0. Okay, so this is the difference between the distance and the displacement. Any other cases? Let us see. In the same question, if you know this hexagon, he has travelled, let us say he has travelled here, here and here. We need to find this dimension for the displacement. Okay. Now, speed is equal to distance by time. So in this example, let us say 4 meter, he took 1 minute. This he took 2 minutes. This he took 7 minutes. This he took 3 minutes, let us say. So speed means distance by time. So what is the distance here? 4 plus 10, 14 plus 14, 28 plus 6, 34. 34 minutes by, what is the total time taken? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minutes. Now this is called average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance travelled by total time taken. So here if you put, and it is in meters per minute, you can convert that into meters per second. Suppose they ask you what is the average velocity. You need to write displacement by time. So let us say this dimension is 16 meters, let us say, and for this portion it is 16 meter. So what is the average velocity means? It will be 16 minutes by which time we need to put? Do we need to put this time or this total time? Let us say this 16 meter, which we need to put. Did I say that he has come back from this point to this point? So the time will be 13 minutes. This is meters. Okay, so average velocity will be 16 meters divided by 13 minutes. This is the average velocity. Okay, had this person come back from A to E to A, then average velocity is equal to 0. So note the difference. What is the difference between average speed and the average velocity? Often these terms are confused, but in most of the questions sometimes we consider, let us say a person starts from A, he comes to B. Here the distance and displacement is same only. So whether you use average velocity or average speed, both mean the same only. Okay, so make a note of this point. Then whenever we talk about average velocity, you have to see what is the displacement. So in the case of a circle, what will be the average speed, average velocity? Let us say the circle radius is 5 meters. So average velocity will be equal to, it is 5 meter, so diameter will be 10 meter divided by, let us say he traveled for 2 minutes. So 10 meter by 2 minutes will be the average velocity. What will be the average speed in this case? Average speed will be, this is 2 pi r is the total perimeter, it is semicircle, so it is pi r. R is given as 5, so pi into 5 divided by 2 minutes. That will be the average speed. Okay. In this case, there is no average velocity, there is only average speed. Okay, because the initial point and the final point are matching in this case. So yeah, so the time here always this unit conversion problem comes. For that I have told about chain link method, so practice that, and let us see some more points on. Alright, so if an object is moving like this in a triangular path, and so in this case, what is the distance traveled? If it is an equilateral triangle, it is this plus this plus this. What is the displacement? It is 0. So for displacement, always see what is the initial position and the final position. You can make sometimes a three-dimensional, you can talk in terms of a prism also, let us say. So it can be, this is a three-dimensional thing. So you need to carefully see what is the initial position and the final position. Suppose a person, it is going in a curvilinear path like this. So this is my initial position and this is my final position. So you need to join the straight line. This will be my displacement. But what is the distance? Distance will be this. Okay? Yeah.